For our project, we decided to select a company that the four of us knew very well, Adidas. Adidas is headquartered in Germany and is an international supplier of shoes, apparel, and other sporting merchandise. Adidas is represented by athletes such as football stars Lionel Messi and soon-to-be NBA MVP James Harden, along with many others that help to promote their sporting apparel. Adidas also owns the brand Reebok, which is an outlet for running shoes, which complicates their supply chain, but is a reason why the company was able to make $21,218 million last year in sales. Adidas primarily focuses on time as their competitive order-winning priority, listing on their corporate website that they hope to be fast in satisfying customer needs as well as fast in regards to internal decision-making. To maintain this competitive priority, Adidas has located distribution centers throughout various cities in the United States as well as Germany and other parts of Europe in order to maintain their large make-to-stock inventory. This allows them to be frequently stocked to keep their products selling in both the international sales channels and the online sales channel. Adidas has been implementing a new product and pricing mix that has helped them to increase their net income by 32% from the previous fiscal year to $1.43 billion. We believe that another way to keep improving on that number would be to continue lowering inventory levels at the distribution centers. As a result, Adidas would see a higher return on assets, as with more sales being made to these international and online channels and fewer standing inventory, Adidas will stand to continue increasing their profits.
Here's the different transportation methods that Adidas has implemented in its supply chain. So they've operated basically how I expected them to, using ships to transport really massive containers of products, and planes if they needed to get something done very quickly. And using trucks, obviously, to get things from distribution centers to customers and retailers. I also researched their very complex supply chain and learned that they have licensees and agents, such as the Original Swimwear Company, or TOSC for short, that they delegate work to. And kind of bringing all this into account, the solution that I thought about was it revolved around them improving sustainability.
Due to Adidas' multi-tiered and multifaceted and complex supply chain, they should enact standards to manage their relationships with their many suppliers. In addition, they should implement a workplace code of conduct that promotes the health and safety of their workers so that they can promote a more economically and environmentally safe supply chain. And they should also have a method of enforcing code compliance within their suppliers. And they can do this by implementing a rating system that rates each supplier to help management decide which suppliers they should work with and which ones they should not. The elements that Adidas should evaluate their suppliers on should be on their management commitment, quality of management systems, training delivered, worker management communication, and transparent reporting. So in addition to creating supply chain sustainability through safety regulations, Adidas can also purchase from suppliers who operate sustainably. And according to Fortune.com, Adidas has vowed to switch to sustainable cotton by the end of 2018. And in essence, this means that Adidas will only purchase cotton from suppliers who use less water and fewer chemicals. This would result in better cotton for Adidas and a smaller impact on the environment. And Adidas should continue to use their dry dye technique on their clothes to save on water usage. According to Adidas.com, dry dye technology is a polyester fabric dyeing process that uses no water, 50% fewer chemicals, and 50% less energy than the traditional dyeing technique. And using less chemicals and less water will ultimately help Adidas lower operating costs and improve their supply chain sustainability.
Now let's talk about supply chain integration. The supply chain integration at Adidas mostly surrounds their ability to produce new products or services. Adidas follows a four-stage model of design, analysis, development, and full launch. In the first stage, known as design, the technology for the new product is created. An industry example of this is Adidas' new Prime Knit technology, which is installed in many of their new and improved footwear products. The analysis stage is where the product is analyzed through a business lens, where decision makers must evaluate the new product's ability to perform negatively or positively in the market. Adidas will run various practice tests to see whether or not the market will respond positively or negatively to this new Prime-Knit technology. In the development stage, the product undergoes a redesign, where the engineers use the data from the analysis stage to improve the product. Here, Adidas will rethink whether or not the design for Prime-Knit is adequate. Lastly, in the full launch stage, Adidas will launch the product into the market, giving consumers the ability to purchase this product.
Based on their time and product flexibility focus, and the rest of the reasons mentioned in the report, our group believes Adidas will continue to be successful if they can follow our recommendations for supply chain efficiency.